Hey, what's up guys? My name is Riley Weller. My artist and producer name is GratuiTous, and I'm a recognized FL Studio trainer. So FL Studio just came out with an official trainer program with a new logo, and I just want to create a video just saying hello. If you guys are looking for some FL Studio training, I started making beats around 2009, so I can't believe how far I have come personally. And one thing I want to tell you guys is that if I can do it, you can do it. Making beats has by far probably been the most fun thing that I have ever done in my life. It's so rewarding, right? Once you actually start learning how to make a beat with MIDI, right? I always talk to you guys about MIDI keyboard, MIDI, right? M-I-D-I. When you're using loops and stuff like that, I always tell you guys that you're not really getting the true reward making your music with virtual instruments and MIDI, and then learning the mixing and the mastering after that. It is so much fun. It takes a lot of time to learn, but it's an awesome hobby. And if you're wanting to try to pursue it as a career, there's a lot of opportunities out there. One thing I will tell you guys is always be careful when you enter this music industry, because it's not like a normal job. A normal job, you're not really dealing with contracts and stuff too much, but with the music industry, you are dealing with contracts a lot. All right, so whether that is selling your music, or even for me, I started creating music production courses, right? FL Studio courses. If you guys are interested, you guys can visit my website, GratuiTous.com. I have over 27 FL Studio courses, and these range from everything from being an absolute beginner to intermediate to more advanced, everything from making the beat to learning piano with improvisation, creating drum loops from scratch with our one-shot drum samples. So if you guys ever have questions, you guys always feel free to reach out to me at hi@itsgratuitous.com, or just visit the website. I have tons of music on Spotify. I love making beats. It is so much fun. And a little bit more about me. So as I was learning music production, I was actually an electrician here in Canada for almost 10 years. And I actually do an electrical blog on the side. So where I really started teaching beat making, because I started beat making around 2009, I learned about FL Studio and I was just blown away. You know, as soon as I learned about it, I was like, this is what I want to do. And as I was doing electrical, it was always fighting at me, you know? I always wanted to kind of get back into making beats. And so I started my first website. It was called beatstruggles.com, and I had over 150 tutorials all about music production equipment. And it was at the time where computers were still kind of struggling when it came to recording your screen. But nowadays, I have upgraded my equipment. I got some really awesome equipment to record videos and just give you guys the best experience. But anyway, so I switched from Beat Struggles to my own personal website, itsgratuitous.com. That's where I have all my music. That's where I have all my FL Studio courses. There's also books if you guys are interested in lessons. And the best way to stay updated is with the podcast. It's called Music Production Made Simple, totally free. You guys can subscribe wherever you listen to podcasts. And yeah, just tune in, listen to some music production tips. So again, thanks for listening. My name is Riley Weller. Artist and producer name is GratuiTous. I'm a recognized FL Studio trainer. It is such an honor, and I'm so grateful to find out about FL Studio and for Image Line creating the program. One last thing I want to leave you guys with is check out my free video. It's called What is FL Studio? And it's going to tell you guys how to pick a music program, how to pick a DAW. Now, it doesn't matter what music program you purchase and what music program you use, but what I always tell you guys is you want to pick one DAW and stick with it, okay? I chose FL Studio. The benefits of FL Studio is the fast workflow, the lifetime free updates, right? So one-time payment, you're in. That's a super special thing that no other DAW company offers. And so if you purchase FL Studio, you are getting a full-fledged professional music production program to create radio-ready music, and you only have to pay once. And so that's the real, that's like the real bonus behind FL Studio, but the workflow is also something really special. So again, if you guys are interested in learning FL Studio, just go to itsgratuitous.com/courses, and you guys will see the pricing. That's to join the membership, but you guys can also purchase the courses individually. So thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you guys if you guys ever reach out to me.